Welcome to Beyond Pink, a television program devoted to revealing the tales of tenacity, hope, and victory over breast cancer in a world where bravery takes center stage and strength meets vulnerability. Breast cancer is not just a diagnosis, it's a transformative journey that affects not only the individuals facing it but their families, friends, and communities. Beyond Pink is not just a TV show, it's a platform where the extraordinary stories of survival, love, and empowerment unfold. Our show delves deep into the lives of those who have been touched by breast cancer, the warriors, the caregivers, and the advocates. Through inspiring interviews, expert insights, and heartfelt testimonials, Beyond Pink aims to demystify the challenges, foster understanding, and celebrate the indomitable spirit that defines the breast cancer journey. Join us as we embark on a journey beyond pink, where stories of strength emerge from adversity, where hope is a guiding light, and where the collective power of communities comes together to support those facing breast cancer. This is more than a TV show, it's a movement. Because together, we go beyond pink to paint a canvas of resilience, unity, and triumph.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You'll be the first to know when I release new videos. It would help our channel to grow and reach more people.
Fatty tissue makes up the breasts. They have tiny spaces called lobules where the production of breast milk takes place. The ducts, which are microscopic channels, are how the milk gets to the nipples. Under your arms and inside your breasts are lymph nodes. They aid in the body's defense against illness and are connected via lymph veins. Situ, or CIS, is the term for breast cancer that occurs inside the milk ducts. Invasive ductal carcinoma, or IDC, is the term used to describe CIS that has expanded into nearby tissue. The breast lobules may generate abnormal cells. They are not cancer. Instead, they are known as lobular carcinoma in situ, or LCIS. These cells develop into invasive lobular carcinoma, a type of cancer, when they infiltrate neighboring tissue. Breast cancers are categorized by doctors according to their behavior. This comprises 4 types of cancer: non-invasive, which means the cancer has not spread outside the tissue in which it started; invasive, which means the cancer has spread and invaded healthy tissue; recurrent, which means the cancer comes back after treatment; and metastatic, which means the cancer has spread to other parts of the body from its original location. Invasive ductal carcinoma and invasive lobular carcinoma are common forms of breast cancer. The following forms of breast cancer are less common: metaplastic, inflammatory, tubular, and colonial breast cancer. Cancer that has spread from the breast to other parts of the body is known as metastatic breast cancer. The liver, bones, lungs, and brain are the most often affected areas. Metastatic breast cancer has no known cure. The goal of treatment is to increase survival time. Thanks to advancements in treatment, people with metastatic breast cancer are now surviving for 5, 10, or even more years. Today, we are gathered to talk about a topic of utmost importance: breast cancer prevention. Breast cancer is the most common cancer among women globally, but the good news is that many cases are preventable through awareness and proactive measures. To begin, let's understand what breast cancer is. It is a type of cancer that starts in the cells of the breast. To increase our awareness, I recommend watching informative videos like this one on breast cancer to grasp the fundamentals. Now, let's delve into risk factors. Factors like age, genetics, and lifestyle choices play a role. Regular screenings, such as mammograms, are crucial for early detection. Prevention is within our control. A healthy lifestyle significantly reduces the risk of breast cancer. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol contribute to overall well-being and lower the risk of cancer. Empowerment is key. Encourage regular breast self-exams, and be aware of any changes. Knowing your body is a powerful tool in the prevention arsenal. In conclusion, our collective understanding and proactive measures can make a significant impact on breast cancer prevention. By spreading awareness, adopting a healthy lifestyle, and being vigilant about early detection, we contribute to a world where the impact of breast cancer is minimized. Remember, knowledge is power, and prevention begins with each one of us. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue to prioritize our health. A major component of prevention is nutrition. By investigating particular foods and dietary practices that support breast health, we can offer even more context. Dietary recommendations and helpful hints are provided in 8 ways to prevent breast cancer. Carcinoma of the breast. Many ladies get anxious just by reading those words. That makes sense. Everyone knows someone who has been affected by the illness. However, there is a lot of positive news these days regarding breast cancer. We now have more knowledge than ever on illness prevention strategies, and treatments are constantly improving. By taking these 8 actions, your risk of breast cancer can be reduced. While not all women will benefit from every intervention, most women can take certain actions to enhance their breast health. Furthermore, even a small adjustment can be advantageous. Because it's a common refrain, it's simple to ignore, but everyone should strive to maintain a healthy weight. Particularly after menopause, being overweight can raise one's risk of developing several malignancies, including breast cancer. Engage in frequent exercise is one of the healthiest things you can do. It can increase vitality and mood. It may support healthy weight management. Moreover, it can reduce the chance of developing a number of grave illnesses, such as breast cancer. Even if you can just spend 30 minutes a day exercising, any quantity is better than none. Consume fruits and vegetables, and stay away from alcohol. Breast cancer risk can be decreased with a nutritious diet. Eat as many fruit and vegetables as you can, and drink in moderation. Even modest levels of drinking can raise the risk of breast cancer, even if moderate drinking can benefit older persons' hearts. Additionally, abstaining from alcohol is the healthiest option overall due to its associated hazards. Give up smoking. In addition to the numerous other health hazards it poses, smoking is linked to at least 15 other malignancies, including breast cancer. Try to give up smoking as soon as you can. It's nearly always possible to reap the rewards. You're capable of it. Additionally, seeking assistance can enhance your chances of permanently quitting. If at all possible, breastfeeding reduces the risk of breast cancer when done for all children for a period of 1 year or longer. The child's health will also benefit greatly from it. Reach out to your pediatrician, the hospital, or the local health agency for assistance or information regarding breastfeeding. Steer clear of birth control pills, especially if you smoke or are over 35. Pill birth control has advantages as well as disadvantages. The hazards are smaller for younger women. Women who use birth control tablets run a slightly higher chance of developing breast cancer. This danger disappears as soon as the medication is stopped. While using the pill, a woman's risk of heart attack and stroke is also elevated, especially if she smokes. Long-term use, however, can also have significant advantages, including as a decreased chance of uterine, colon, and ovarian cancers, as well as an avoided pregnancy. Thus, it also has a lot going for it. One way to reduce your chances of breast cancer, if you're really concerned about it, is to not take birth control pills. Long-term use of menopausal hormone treatment to avoid chronic illnesses is not advised. According to studies, it has a conflicting impact on health, raising some people's risk of certain illnesses while lowering others. Breast cancer risk is also increased by estrogen only and estrogen plus progestin hormones. Women who do receive menopausal hormone therapy ought to do so for as little period as feasible. Your doctor is the ideal person to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of menopausal hormone therapy with. Taking the prescription medications tamoxifen and raloxifene can greatly lessen the incidence of breast cancer in women at high risk of the illness, even though these medications are not typically seen of as healthy behaviors. These potent medications, which have been approved by the FDA for the prevention of breast cancer, may cause negative effects, so not everyone should use them. See your doctor to see whether raloxifene or tamoxifen is the best medication for you if you believe you are at high risk. Remember to have mammograms for breast cancer screening, since it can save lives. While it cannot prevent cancer, it can aid in its early detection and more manageable treatment. Starting at age 40, the majority of women should have annual mammograms. Mammograms may need to begin earlier for women who are more likely to develop breast cancer. Thus, by the time you are 30 years old, it is essential to discuss any potential risk factors for breast cancer with a doctor and see if an early screening may be beneficial. It is not advised to perform routine breast self-examinations for screening. They have not been discovered to be beneficial. However, you should remain aware of your breasts and promptly notify a healthcare professional if you observe any changes in their appearance or feel. As we conclude, let's delve into additional strategies for breast cancer prevention. We'll explore emerging research, innovative technologies, and community initiatives that further enhance our preventive efforts. Remember, our journey towards a breast cancer-free world continues with every informed choice we make. Thank you for your attention, and let's stand together in the fight against breast cancer.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You'll be the first to know when I release new videos. It would help our channel to grow and reach more people.